Of course, one of the greatest ever. Yeah, of course. Yeah, I didn't do too much with him. We only had one scene together, but I got to hang with him over those days. Yeah. Yeah, as much. I mean, you know, the two biggest action things I've got in the movie are two very big, intense fights with Jason's character, and we pretty much did all of them ourselves. You put a lot of work in. It takes a lot of time. It's rehearsals, it's working with the stunt guys, working the fights out, making sure we're both comfortable with it, and then, you know, by the time you go onto the set, you've done a lot of work already. No, not at all, no. There's always a big emphasis on safety, you know, because they're quite intense and the margin for error is very small and could have serious consequences. You're very focused when you're doing them. I sort of, because I played somebody who was ex-SAS, I, you know, was put together with a guy who'd been in the SAS for 30 years and just used him really as my kind of source of research. It was just about the character and about what we wanted to explore with the character and what he was trying to do with the whole film. Yeah, I think that I was very happy with the way the fights turned out. I mean, I think Jason's sort of, you know, he's top of the game when it comes to doing sort of fight scenes, and to do some big intense ones with him was great because he's so good. I think it's, you know, it's a big international movie that has some great action in it, but is sort of based in a real world. Yes, I've been a few times, yeah. I think one of the most memorable things, only because my kids are so crazy about the Studio Ghibli movies, and going to the Studio Ghibli Museum, which was a bit of a highlight. My girl's a huge Miyazaki fan, so I was just fascinated by the you know, what happens to these guys when they leave the Special Forces, really. I was playing somebody who had left, and kind of, you know, what a strange life it must be when you've been that rigorously trained, when you've been to such intense places, had such extraordinary, you know, putting your life on the line and risking everything, and then trying to get on with a normal life. There was something that was really fascinating about that for me.